Hi, this is Jim Byrd, CEO of Legion Capital, and this is your shareholder and investor update for May 2018. It's been an amazing last 30 days here at Legion Capital. First, I'd like to tell you that we just concluded a major acquisition of a large construction company and home building company right here in our own backyard in Central Florida. Last week we acquired Smith Davis Construction and A.R. Bailey Homes. Now we'll be funding the conclusion of that transaction, that acquisition, here over the coming weeks. And as soon as we conclude the funding of that, which we expect to happen very quickly, we'll take ownership and possession of this amazing construction company and fantastic award-winning home building company. Smith Davis is a construction company that is called a shell builder or a frame builder. What that means is they build the early stage of the home for somebody like a Lennar Homes or Pulte or one of these large national home builders to take the home from there, finish it off, and sell it to the ultimate user. Along with Smith Davis, we acquired A.R. Bailey Homes. And A.R. Bailey Homes is a companion company to Smith Davis, owned by the same people who are now our partners and who will be working with us to build both of these tremendous companies. A.R. Bailey is actually a finished home builder. So they're much like a Lennar or a Pulte or a Meritage or Park Square, and they build the final home, the end-use product, to deliver to the ultimate resident of the home, the ultimate home buyer. By now having not only the home builder that finishes and delivers a complete finished home to the ultimate home buyer, but also having the construction company that builds the frame and the early part of the home in a very quick and efficient manner, we now have a tremendous basket of real estate construction and development assets, all under the Legion brand, of course, and that will make us one of the largest and most successful construction companies and independent home builders here in all of Central Florida and indeed throughout the state of Florida. Another major development here at Legion Capital is the conclusion of our year-end audit and the filing of our paperwork to move our share price from $1.25 per share to $3 per share, which we have just filed with the SEC during the last week. I know we talked at some point about moving our share price to $2 per share, but because of these new acquisitions and because of the fact that Legion has become so strong so fast and is growing at such a pace that's actually way ahead of schedule where we thought it would be at this point, we've decided to move straight to $3 per share for our stock offering price, and that will allow us to meet the minimum threshold requirement for a NASDAQ listing, which we still hope to complete in the next several months. A third piece of news that's well worth mentioning is we've just hired our Chief Financial Officer, Mr. Raul Castillo. Raul comes to us as one of the top financial managers with Simon Property Group, Simon Malls, which is one of the largest, if not the largest, mall owners, mall developers in all the world. We're very fortunate to have Raul on board. He'll be developing all of our financial systems, all of our financial procedures. Of course, he'll be working with all of our investment bankers and all of our investors, our auditors, and all of the analysts as we move to become publicly traded here in the next several months. And having a top Chief Financial Officer on board was always a major goal of ours, and we've now reached that goal here as of May 1. Every day we're looking at tremendous opportunities, and we'll continue to bring you updates as we close more deals every week. We have a number of great opportunities in our pipeline. We have acquisitions that are on our plate. We have opportunities that are under contract, which we'll be concluding here in the next several weeks. And Legion continues to grow, it continues to get stronger, it continues to get more profitable every day. And we at Legion Capital are so excited to have every one of you be a part of it. Thank you so much for being a shareholder and investor in Legion Capital. Have a great day.